Are you wondering how your dream design will look? This video is perfect for you.
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe to be in tune. Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
Check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.